Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. I have been meaning to cover this TangoFlux model for the last 1 week or so, but due to DeepSeek's mania, I just found the time to cover it in proper way. In this video, we are going to install it locally and we will also see how it works. But before that, let's have a quick look as what exactly this model is. TangoFlux, in simple words, enables you to generate audio from text. It consists of FluxTransformer blocks, including diffusion transformer and multimodal diffusion transformer, which means DIT and DIT. These blocks generate audio based on text prompts and duration embeddings. TangoFlux generates audio by learning a rectified flow trajectory from audio latent representation encoded by variational autoencoder. Now, I know that was a mouthful. Let's try to unwrap it. So first, what is a rectified flow trajectory? A rectified flow trajectory means a learned path in the latent space or the space which is understood by model that enables efficient and accurate generation of audio samples. This trajectory is rectified to correct distortions and ensure smooth, coherent audio output. Then we have variational autoencoder. In this context, it is a type of model or network that learns to compress and represent audio data in a lower dimensional latent space. The VAE or V encodes audio inputs into this latent space, allowing for efficient manipulation and generation of new audio samples. We also have seen these V models in our image generation, by the way. Okay, so this is how this audio generation process of this TangoFlux look like. They also give us a training pipeline that involves 3 stages: pre-training, fine-tuning, and preference optimization. That's a standard. Each stage refines the model's performance and alignment with desired preferences. So we all this is all we have to know about the architecture of this model. Let's try to get it installed locally. Before that, let me give a huge shout out to our very good friends at Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. I'm also going to give you a discount coupon of 50% for a range of GPUs. Okay, so this is my Ubuntu system and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let's create a virtual environment. While that's get created, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot effortlessly lets you deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will also drop the link to their website in video's description. And now let's install all the prerequisites from the repo of TangoFlux with pip. And that is going to take a couple of minutes. All the prerequisites are done. Let's launch our Jupyter notebook and then we will play around with this model in the browser environment. Okay, first let's grab our model after importing these libraries. And the model is being downloaded. As you can see, it is downloading this V model first. So let's wait for it. And the actual model size is just 3.4. That's it. Okay, so the model has been downloaded along with all the auxiliary stuff. Now let's generate the audio. So for the audio generation, the first one I'm giving it is that hammer slowly hitting the wooden table, and then there are few steps in duration. I believe that's in seconds, but we will check it out. So let me run it. And it was fairly quick. As soon as I ran it, it completed in like 3 seconds. Let me play this. That was so natural. That was so natural. Okay, let's try out few others. Okay, next one, I'm going to ask it a cuckoo singing. So let's run it. While it runs, let's check the VRAM consumption. So it is consuming around 15 gig of VRAM, as you can see. Okay, so let's go back. Let me play it. That's cool. Let's try out another one. Or maybe I'll just say giggling. Let's see if it generates a human voice. Sorry, not this one. Maybe I'll increase the duration to see if it can do 30 seconds. I hope you can listen to a girl's giggling for 30 seconds. You see, it has increased a bit. Let's play it. What do you think? Okay, maybe I'll just say softly laughing. Let's see if it does it in a more nicer way. Not bad. So good stuff. Okay, let's generate few more. Next up, I'm asking it to do this raindrops gently hitting a tin roof, and look at the speed. I think that was perfectly well because there was a rain in the background and then there were drops gently hitting the tin roof. Really cool stuff. And next up, a zipper slowly unzipping a leather jacket. Yeah, that was not bad. Okay, let's see if it can do some sort of human word singing, that sort of stuff. Maybe I'll just say it 60 seconds and let's play it. Let me play it. I don't think so any kid is going to sleep with that, but I think it just generates the audio, but it's not really the song generator, unlike the model which we saw yesterday, the UE one. Let me go to my channel. So let me just refresh it, and then if I search it here, this is the model I'm talking about, which we did yesterday, that you can generate the full songs. So if you're interested, highly impressive, check it out. Anyway, so let's go back and try out maybe another one. And the next one, a gentle romantic whisper in a quiet library in ear of a lover. Let's see. Readings of a tip one green, that's what I did. Not bad. So it was a whisper, so we can't really tell what she or he was saying. And then finally, I'm testing it, fingers tapping on a metal keyboard rhythmically. Let's play it out. Not bad. And to close it off, let's do this one where we are asking it that a girl squeals in delight as she's being tickled by her boyfriend. Unterminated. Okay, so I didn't put it there. Let me just remove this quote and let's run it. Let's see what it happens. Okay, interesting. Okay, so look, I think pretty interesting model if you want to generate these sort of audio voices and sort of notes. Not a bad model at all. Try it out. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.